There's a hidden trailer on the Alien 3 DVD which is well worth fans of the film seeking out. Now the DVD does include a theatrical trailer, however when you select it you'll find that it's actually the teaser trailer that basically just gives the release date of the film. The hidden trailer is much more interesting. To find it, go to Special Features. Now select the Making of documentary, which incidentally is absolutely incredible. Now when the documentary ends, wait. After a period of nothing, the hidden trailer will start. This trailer seems to have been more based on the assembly cut version of the film rather than the theatrical release. My favourite part of the trailer is the really clumsy bit of dubbing. In the film, there's a scene where one of the very British inmates says this.
Thing is really pissed off!
However, on this trailer, there's an American voice that says this.
This thing is really ticked off!
Well, as we know, the Xenomorph is well known for being, quote, ticked off. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would consider giving me a follow.